Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will be unboxing digital hunting camera from G-Vision HC-550 MG. So I will just be unboxing it right now and I will tell you some things about the camera. So it has 16 megapixels, so it's really good for a hunting camera. It has a 120-degree sensor, 120 degrees lens, and it's waterproof. Also, you have support for 32 gigabytes card for recording and a trigger time of 0.5 seconds. As you see, it's nicely wrapped. There's also the instructions for it, how to use those models. So it's at the top, like you see, HC-500, so you should be going for the one on the top. And as you see, that's the beautiful camera. Right now with the sticker on, I will just remove it for now and I will just put it right here. And inside there's the antenna, and then you have a belt for it to stay covered to a tree or something, and then you have a pilot, like a small one. There's also the menu, up, down, shoot and left button, and also there's the lighting. And that's the plastic thing that you can put on the top of the camera to keep it stable. And then there's the cable. And the last thing, there's a CD if you want to get your recordings on the CD. So I will just put it down and I will show you side by side how to keep it working. So all of the elements, and as you see, that should be everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.